Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic app and integration. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So Bitrix24 market features hundred of useful app, add-on solution, and custom API integration for your Bitrix24, enhancing its functionality and performance. There are over 300 apps in the catalog, integration with popular services, data migration apps, billable hours for tasks. Integration with popular services, we have app that can help you integrate Bit24 with QuickBook, Google Sheet, PayPal, RingCenter, WhatsApp, Micro, and others. Data migration app need to quickly transfer your data to Bitrix24. Install a migration app for Jira, Asana, Trello, Zapier, Zoho, Pipedrive, and lots of other services. Billable R for task. Use our integration with the Billable R app to track working hours and create invoices. It is more than just API integration. Explore the full potential and amazing capability of Bitrix24. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.